after school. It's embarrassing that we're the only ones eating Doritos next to a guy with onions and a tomato. Ugh. Lay there. Ugh, that was a terrible. What happened? Dude, Kelly was just murdered. Kelly, the one that I just didn't want to date with? Oh, what happened here? Hey, that sword. Flashback, restarting. Psh, yeah. You think you're gonna escape? Oh, I already have. Hello? 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 Ugh. It was Kraken. Kraken? Oh, come on. Because that wavy sword looks similar. Later. Pink Shape, we're home. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, you're back. If you did not know what was happening while you were in college, I was having over 43 Dorito sessions with all the hummies, including Hummy Dolphin and Hubby Air. Yeah, about that. There's been a murder. A murder? Who is murdered? Is it wife that killed him? Is the Illuminati behind this? No, not the hater Illuminati stuff. It is Kraken. Who's Kraken? Oh, we'll explain to you later. Alright then, I'm gonna go back to my 43 Dorito eating session. Alright. You know, I have an idea. What's the idea? I'll tell you upstairs.
When they went upstairs after 93 minutes.
No, son, you're so wrong.
Oh.
Alright, have you ever noticed the door next to the door of our room? Yeah, it's right there. Well, that door leads to a balcony. I have a plan for this. Here is a sneak peek on the next video. Alright, got it. Jai!